Hello everyone. Congratulations to all the successful candidates of JEE Advanced 2020. I am Arun Kumar Sen, Head Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Group. The vision of our department is to develop a world-class teaching and research atmosphere by excelling in fundamental knowledge and applications of electrical engineering through curricular and co-curricular activities. The department offers a flexible BTech curriculum that offers numerous opportunities to students to consider a variety of career paths through capability-linked specializations of their choice. The program provides strong fundamentals in maths and science that form basis of diverse toolset used by electrical engineers to innovate, design, and develop the technology of the future. The engineering design component familiarizes students with real-world engineering challenges and equips them with the essential technical skills and problem solving. Core electrical engineering concepts ranging from circuit analysis and design, computing, control, communication, signal processing, and power engineering provide strong theoretical foundations supplemented with hands-on exposure, lab experiments, and design projects. The curriculum offers various options to students in pursuing exciting, capability-linked specializations of their choice. The department specializations are designed to enable students to lead technological innovations addressing the emerging industrial and societal challenges in various domains of electrical engineering. The electrical engineering students can opt for any one of the department specializations in the domains of cyber physical systems, intelligent communication and networking, communication engineering, VLSI systems, visual computing, socio-digital reality, nano and flexible electronics, smart grid, or artificial intelligence of things. These specializations enable graduates to play a vital role in advancement of technologies such as 5G and beyond communications, smart cities, smart healthcare, and Industry 4.0. Another distinct feature of the curriculum is the provision for minors in entrepreneurship, management, or interdisciplinary specializations in smart healthcare, artificial intelligence, or robotics and mobility systems. These minors and interdisciplinary specializations allow students to pursue diverse career paths. Students will also have an opportunity for converting their BTech into a BTech Master's Dual Degree program in the chosen specialization or minor area. The curriculum also offers numerous options that enable students to gain industrial experience through collaborative projects at industry and entrepreneurial experience at Institute's Incubation Center. Please visit our website and follow us on social media to know more about us. Thank you.